Hey guys, Pete Turner here. I'm winding down in sunny Spain after filming the How to Control Minds kit. And I thought I'd share with you a behind the scenes story that really shows you how strong the material is on this set. Now this story is not going to make it into the kit, and it involves a good friend of mine, Sila Bogdan. Now if you don't know who Sila is, he's an incredible magician, incredible mentalist and performer, and this is his Instagram. So if you're not following him, go here and definitely follow him, you won't regret it. I give Sila a call because I know he's got a show that he runs in Leicester Square, and I said, Sila, do you think you'd be able to fit me onto the bill? And he says, of course dude, come down. And I thought it'd be a great opportunity to film some of the stuff that I'm sharing on this set. And I get down there, I perform, Sila's watching, and I expect Sila to go up onto the stage and do his usual set, but he doesn't. He closes the show early and says, how can I follow that? And then comes over to the table and says to me again, there's no way that I were following that dude. And that was such a compliment to me, and the reason it was such a compliment is because if somebody like Sila, who's performing all the time in the real world, says that I don't want to perform after that, and he closes the show on a high after seeing it, I don't need to tell you how great this material is, because I'm biased anyway, I created it. But I think it really shows you just what you're getting in this set. I've put my heart and soul into this set. It's been well over 10 years in the making. I've truly refined everything so that you could just go out there and do it, and I really hope you love it as much as I love the material. Anyway guys, until next time, take care.
So thank you for having me on the stage. Thank you for letting me climb inside your minds. I've been Pete Turner. Give everybody that's performed tonight a great round of applause. Thank you.
See, that's why I decided to not perform tonight, because why would you, you know? So, that's the main show over.